There are three known trig ratios, often abbreviated as SOHCAHTOA. The SO in SOHCAHTOA represents sine, which is the ratio of the opposite side over the hypotenuse of a triangle. The CA in SOHCAHTOA represents cosine, which is the ratio of the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. TOA represents tangent, which is the opposite side divided by the adjacent side of an angle. There are three more known trig ratios. They are the reciprocals of sine, cosine, and tangent. These three reciprocals are known as cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Cosecant is the reciprocal of the sine, which means it's the ratio of the hypotenuse over the opposite side. Secant is the reciprocal of a cosine. It is a ratio between the hypotenuse over the adjacent side. Lastly, cotangent is the reciprocal of a tangent. It's the adjacent divided by the opposite side. Using the triangle on the left side, find the sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent of z. So let's find the sine of angle z first. Sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse. 4 is the opposite of angle z, and the hypotenuse of the triangle is 5. So the sine of angle z is 4 over 5. Next, we have to find the cosine of angle z. Cosine is the ratio of the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. 3 is the adjacent side of angle z, and the hypotenuse of the triangle is 5, meaning that the cosine of angle z is 3 divided by 5. Now we have to find the tangent of angle z. Tangent is the ratio of the opposite divided by the adjacent side of an angle. 4 is the opposite side of angle z, and 3 is the adjacent side. So the tangent of angle z is 4 over 3. From here, it's pretty easy to figure out the cosecant, secant, and cotangent of z, since they are the reciprocals of sine, cosine, and tangent. You just need to switch the numerators and denominator. The cosecant of z is the reciprocal of sine of z. So the cosecant of z is 5 over 4, since the cosecant is the ratio of the hypotenuse divided by the opposite side. The secant of z is the reciprocal of the cosine of z, meaning that the secant of z is 5 over 3. Cotangent is the ratio of the adjacent side divided by the opposite side, and it's also known as the reciprocal of tangent. So the cotangent of z is 3 over 4.